Hi there, and thank you so much for coming out and joining me today. I've came out to this beautiful woodland, and woodlands like this are a great place for us to take our exercise, which is not just good for our physical health, it's also great for our mental well-being. Coming out and just feeling the sun on our faces, listening to birds. Today I'm fortunate enough to have a stream, so the stream is just ambling by and it just sounds beautiful. And as I mentioned, it's great for our mental well-being. And just being in this type of environment, you'd only need to be in this type of environment for a short space of time and you can feel a difference, like a big weight being lifted off your shoulders. Today I've came out to forage, and what I'm foraging for is wild garlic. Foraging also can be great for our mental health, because our mental well-being, because instead of thinking about I need to clean the car, I need to cut the grass, we're focusing on what we're doing and what plant we're looking for, and it's a form of active meditation, if you like. And as I mentioned, today I'm looking for wild garlic, and wild garlic has so many culinary uses. We can make pestos, we can make sauces, we can add it to salads, we can make add it to butters and make wild garlic butter, which is delicious, which is what I intend doing today, but we'll get to that shortly. If we take the flower in this stage, we can throw that in a salad, or we can pickle them in a cider vinegar or something like that for a caper alternative, if you like. What else can we do with wild garlic? The full plant is edible, so if we everything from the root, the leaf, the flower is all edible. There's generally an abundance of it where it grows. As you can see behind me, there's absolutely loads of it. It also has some medicinal uses. It's great for our gut. It can be a spring tonic. It's antibacterial and antifungal, and it's good for helping with things like colitis, IBF, and really all-round gut health. I'm going to make some wood-fired garlic bread. I've already made the pizza dough, so I'll harvest some of this, get back, clean it, chop it up, make the garlic butter, and later on today we'll fire up the pizza oven. So stick around and join us later on for that. Right, let's get a garlic bread made. We've made a few already and they're quite delicious. So we'll get this one rolled out. Trying to keep it as a round shape as we possibly can. A bit more plenty on that. Stretch it a little bit. Roll that out a touch more. We've got the garlic butter, what we made, and see how vibrant and how beautiful and green that looks. And the flavour from it's absolutely delicious. So we'll put plenty of garlic butter on there. Plenty of it. A little bit more there, I think. Let's just push them crusts up so it keeps all the melted butter in place. And we've got a bit of Parmigiano cheese, so we're going to put some of that on because it's delicious.
Put plenty on.
Plenty on. Oh. Put that to one side and we'll shave that bit on. Plenty on, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we'll stretch that out a bit more and transfer that onto the peel. Some polenta on there. Right, we'll get this into the pizza oven. Have we got a good flame? Oh, fantastic. Let's get that on there. There we go. We'll give that a little while and we'll check on it. Now we've gave that around 20 seconds. And that's starting to cook nicely already. Back into there. A little bit more wood in the pizza oven, I think. Yeah. There we go. Check again. Because these cook really fast. Got a look at that. And check again. How amazing is that looking?
Oh, it looks gorgeous.
See how bubbly that is. Give it a little longer, spin that round that way. Oh, fantastic. Oh, blue, that's caught a little bit there. There we go. As you can see how fast that cooks. Right, put that to one side and we'll cut that, see what it's like, huh?
Yeah.
Right, we'll give that a second to cool because that'll be piping hot and then we'll try it. Right, let's try this. Oh. That tastes absolutely amazing. Excuse me. I have a habit of talking with my mouth full. That tastes absolutely delicious. Just goes to show what we can do with something that we can forage, wild garlic. We don't have to go to the trouble of making it with pizza dough in a pizza oven. That's not possible for everybody. But you can buy a nice crusty loaf from the supermarket or the baker's, cut it down into slices and then back that way. Fill it with garlic butter, a little bit of cheese over the top, wrap it in tin foil, put it in the oven for 15 minutes or so, keep checking on it, bring it out, pull it to bits, and absolutely delicious. We've made it that way several times ourselves, haven't we? But we thought today we'd just try with a pizza oven and see what that works out like. And they are absolutely delicious. Proper fire cooked, flame cooked, fire cooked pizza, garlic bread. Crusty that. Sorry, that's probably picking that up on the microphone. We're going to leave the video here. We hope you've enjoyed it. Excuse me. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. And as always, stay safe and we'll see you again. Bye.